Ma'am Miriam, what can I ask of you? I am facing a woman who would become the President of the Republic of the It is even an insult to the intellect of everybody to be asking a learned and experienced human being in this planet.
So may tanong po ba kayo ngayon?
Ang tanong ko, ma'am, how are you today?
I'm almost back to normal good health because I'm on a secret pill that is not yet available in the market, but is being sold at very atrociously expensive prices. And it's a miracle worker in the sense that I'm almost normal now.
Oh, come on, you will live for 1,000 years. That is no doubt about it. I rest my case with the moderator here.
All right.